Hello everyone, welcome to my channel India the Invincible. Today's video let's discuss about South Indian art. Next we will come to the Hoysala art of Halebeedu and Belur, which is built in the 12th century AD. So the beautiful example of the Hoysala art you can see in these two temples, the Hoysaleshwara temple and the Chennakeshava temple. First let's see the Hoysaleshwara temple, which is located in Hassan district of Karnataka. Halebeedu was a capital of Hoysalas in the 12th century, and this temple is one of the best example of Hoysala art and architecture. So this is the Hoysaleshwara temple, and the main deity here is Lord Shiva. Well, the temple is carved from soapstone. It's a metamorphic rock. The friezes and wall images on the outer wall predominantly narrate the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Bhagavata Purana, and the other major Shaiva and Vaishnava Puranas. Here you can see the sculpture of Shiva and Parvati, and also Durga as Mahishasura Mardini killing buffalo demon. This is the Chennakeshava temple at Belur. This temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Here also we can find similar type of sculptures which we have seen in the Hoysaleshwara temple. Look at these beautiful sculptures of Belur. It's so intricately carved. Now let's come to the Chola art. The Chola dynasty was one of the longest ruling dynasties that ruled South India until the 13th century. So you all know that Tanjavur was the capital of the Cholas at that time. They are remembered for building temples with remarkable architecture among other things. Their sculptures are world famous. Here you can see the Chola bronze sculptures. The pieces are graceful and elegant. Chola period bronzes were created using the lost wax technique. The same technique were used by the Indus people as well. Now let's come to the Virupaksha temple of Hampi. The ceiling of the large front mantapa in the Virupaksha temple has a magnificent series of paintings. Here is a great masterpiece representing Vidyaranya, the spiritual guru who was responsible for the establishment of Vijayanagara Empire by Harihara and Bukka. Here you can see another beautiful painting. Next, let's see the paintings at Lepakshi temple. It is located in Anandpur district of Andhra Pradesh. At Lepakshi, there is one of the most remarkable paintings of the Vijayanagara period. The scenes depicted here are from Mahabharata, Ramayana, and the Puranas. As you can see here, the entire ceiling was once covered with a rich layer of paintings with the stories of Shiva Leela, the coronation of Rama, Arjuna fighting with Kirata, and they reveal a distinctly rich quality of naturalness and simplicity. Many Kannada inscriptions dating back centuries can also be seen on its walls. In my next video, we shall discuss more about Indian paintings. Thank you.